He has been called the most engaging educator in communication and digital branding. He is an award-winning professor who has worked with some of the largest organizations. Please help me welcome to the stage Dr. Dustin York.
What I didn't realize at this time is what I uncover a lifelong passion about innovation and storytelling. Trader Joe's is to Walmart as Apple Store is to Amazon. One brand prides itself on experiential shopping, thus creating better margins. Digital transformation technology, just like everything else, is a double-edged sword. There are negatives and there are positives. We should be curious, how can we change the negatives? Things like social media's role in teen girl depression. How can we change that? We should be curious about data and data privacy. We should also be curious how we can pour gasoline on the positive elements right now.
And I am the metaverse version of Dr. York. And right now, what I'm looking like in my world is Chris Hemsworth.
We've all heard for the past 2 years, internal communication is more important than ever for business. And leaders need to communicate with employees more than ever before. Yeah, but what does that more communication really look like exactly? But I'm telling you, in this talk, I'm going to show you why this should light your curiosity on absolute fire.
Keeps employees motivated, maintains their buy-in for the company's goals and objectives, and boosts retention. And here are 3 action items to bring this to reality.
Now, I ask you, I beg you, be curious. Childhood curiosity can explain how augmented reality will change education, how blockchain will change identification, or how AI will change healthcare. Childhood curiosity could even tell you why a young ginger found his passion for storytelling and digital transformation, and how current and future leaders will find their curiosity. Beyonce sings, LeBron James wins championships. I teach.